For example number 3, we're asked to evaluate the arc sine, the square root of 3 over 2. We want to know what that's equal to. Of course, our output is always an angle, so our input is a number. Our output is an angle. We're told that our outputs, we only want the output values between 0 and 2 pi. We restrict it because otherwise there's an infinite amount of outputs. And then, of course, you have to write things with k times pi, where k is an element of the integers, things like that. So to solve this again, we'll take a look at our unit circle. We'll draw our... Okay, so there's our circle. And now what I've got here is I want, one is the height value square root of 3 over 2. Okay, and that occurs over here. So this height is square root of 3 over 2, and that, guys, is a 60-degree angle. And it also occurs over here, and this angle, that mark out, is 120 degrees. So we've got two different angles. We've got 60 degrees and 120 degrees. And if we write those in terms of pi, then our solution is the angles that can come out are going to be pi over 3, in terms of radians, I should say. Okay, so pi over 3 and 2 pi's over 3. Both those angles have a height value of square root of 3 over 2. Now, if you check it out in your calculator, again, sine is only going to give us values, the arc sine is only going to give us values in these two quadrants. So we've got to come up with the second one ourselves. Now, I'm not going to sit here and give you a rule for that. I want you to think through it. Okay, if you want to come up with a rule on your own, fine with me. But that shows me that you've went through and you've thought about what the process is. If I type in arc sine of square root of 3 over 2, I'll get my 60-degree angle. And of course, like we said, the other one's 120 degrees.